Hello, beautiful students. Welcome to class 0 of the Beginner in Beaded Bag course. Who is excited just as I am? Hey, I am so excited. So on today's video, we're going to be knowing the 3 major essential items you will need to make any beaded bag. And one, we have our fishing line, and this fishing line we're going to be using is 0.7 millimeter fishing line. It has to be 0.7 millimeter fishing line. Next, we have a cutter. We have this. If you don't have a cutter, you can as well use a scissors, no problem. Next on our list, we have beads. You can use any color of bead, but you have to use size 10 millimeter bead. So size 10 bead works hand in hand with 0.7 fishing line. It has to be both of them paired together. Don't get something else. So to make the inner of your beaded bag after you've finished beading, you will need this item. You will need a needle. You will also need a thread. You will need your tape rule to measure. You will also need a chalk. You know what this chalk is used for, right? Use it to line. When you finish measuring, you line and use it to cut there. So you will learn about that also. You will also need a scissors, and you will need your material. This is a satin material, so you will need it for the inner of your beaded bag, or you can also use this as, you can also make a pouch with this if you don't want to sew it inside your beaded bag. So my students, make sure you watch the previous videos to know the size of beads and the types of bead we have. Also, I made a video about the materials you will need to make a beaded bag. So that's all for our video today. My students, see you on our next class. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to comment. Thank you and bye.